Welcome back to CyberWarLab. In today's video, we'll demonstrate how attackers capture passwords from websites using Ettercap, a powerful tool for man-in-the-middle attacks. Ettercap is a network security tool that lets us perform man-in-the-middle attacks, intercepting and analyzing traffic between devices on a local network. In this demonstration, we'll use Ettercap to capture login credentials sent over HTTP. On attacker's machine, we launch Ettercap in its graphical mode. Select the correct network interface and start ARP poisoning between the victim's IP and the gateway. This routes the victim's traffic through our machine, giving us complete visibility of their communication. Now, the victim goes to a sample login page. Notice the connection isn't secure. When the victim enters the credential and submits the form, those details travel in plain text through the network. And there it is. The username and the password entered by the victim appears instantly on our screen. It's that easy for attackers to steal sensitive information on insecure websites. This attack worked because HTTP does not encrypt data. Anyone on the same network can intercept traffic and read login credentials, emails, and more. Thanks for watching. If you find this demo helpful, like and subscribe for more practical cybersecurity tutorials.